British stock market rallied overnight after Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced his resignation as leader of the Conservative Party. Joining me now live is business reporter Edward Boyd. Ed, how did the local market react this morning?
Our market is up about 0.7% in early trade this morning. Generally, when global markets do well, the ASX 200 lifts as well. So overnight, the British FTSE 100, that's the top 100 stocks in Britain, that market lifted by 1.1%, because the most important thing stock markets want is certainty. And there's been a lot of uncertainty in Britain around the leadership position of Boris Johnson. Now that he's announced his resignation, stock markets have certainty again. So the British market lifted overnight, and the value of the pound against the Australian dollar, it lifted as well. So that the market now has plenty more certainty. The other thing that happened in the British market overnight was the company Shell, one of the biggest oil producers in the world, their share price took off. So that helped the stock market there too. But on our market today, we're up about 0.7% in early trade. Could get up to about 1% hopefully by the middle of the day. Gold mining companies are the strongest performers on the Aussie market. That's because they're currently reporting their quarterly results, and a lot of them have had a very strong quarter of gold production. Danica.
And Ed, oil prices jumped overnight. Bad news for motorists who were hoping for some cheaper petrol.
Petrol in Australia last week averaged $2.11 for unleaded, and the oil price has been falling this week. It actually fell below $99 a barrel for the first time since May. However, overnight, the oil prices did a U-turn. They're now getting close to $105 a barrel. And at that price, it really means that petrol prices in Australia are going to remain elevated. So there was a lot of hope that oil prices would start to fall on fears of a recession and a global slowdown, less people travelling in vehicles and flying on planes. That's now reversed overnight, and oil prices are starting to climb, and petrol prices are unfortunately going to remain elevated in Australia. So it looks like we're going to keep seeing $2.11 a litre for unleaded for quite some time, Danica.
It's very expensive. Ed Boyd, thank you.